अपने प्रोग्रेसिव करिकुलम और ग्लोबल एजुकेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स के साथ प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन को नया शेप देते हुए सैनफोर्ड ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स भारत में अपनी पहली प्री स्कूल श्रृंखला स्थापित करने की योजना बना रहा है, जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बैकलॉरिएट प्राइमरी ईयर्स प्रोग्राम ढांचे को लागू करने की दिशा में काम कर रहा है। इस तरह का एक निर्णायक कदम सैनफोर्ड द्वारा इनोवेशन और लर्नर सेंट्रिक दृष्टिकोण की विरासत के साथ प्रारंभिक शिक्षा में एक क्रांतिकारी बदलाव को चिन्हित करेगा।
Want to start by thanking the media fraternity at this hour where we're in quite a tense situation, and I could see the media fraternity working so hard, and you've also come out today to support us in this inaugural. So thank you so much, first of all. As the CEO of Sanford Group of Schools, it is both my privilege the launch of Sanford Global Preschool, India's first IB preschool chain. Sanford Global. Sanford Global Preschool, it's just not another preschool. It's an embodiment of over 20 years of educational innovation and excellence, built upon the strong foundation of the Sanford Group. Its expansive network of 250 plus schools across India and abroad. Today we take a decisive leap into the future with a preschool model that seamlessly blends global best practices with Indian values and cultures. Our collaboration with the International Baccalaureate, a globally respected educational board, marks a history milestone not just for Sanford but for the early years education in India. On that note, I extend my heartiest gratitude to the entire IB team and especially Mr. Mahesh Balakrishnan, Senior Manager, Development and Recognition for making this partnership possible. Through the IB's inquiry-based learning, child-centric approach, we aim to move beyond traditional learning and foster a culture of curiosity, critical thinking, empathy, and global awareness. Children at Sanford Global Preschool will not only enjoy their childhood in this school, but they will also prepare for the life, becoming independent, reflective, and responsible learners from their earliest years. At Sanford Global, we remain deeply rooted in Indian culture while embracing global best practices. Our core value reflects at committing to care. Care for nature, care for creatures, care for humanity, culture and sustainability. These values will be woven into every aspect of our curriculum, helping children to grow with the purpose, responsibility towards themselves, their community and the world. The milestone has been made possible by the unwavering mission of our founders, Dr. S.K. Rathod and Mrs. Kavita Rathod, and supported by our dynamic leadership team, Mr. Kshitij Khandelwal, Director, Sanford Group of Schools, and Mr. Abhishek Rathod, CEO, Sanford Group of Schools. Our passionate franchise partner, Himanshu Yadav, and the hard-working team of Sanford. Together, we are committed to building a future where every child in India has the access to world-class early years education that is meaningful, inclusive, and future-ready. To our parents, partners, and the large educational community, thank you for trusting us. Together, we are not just launching a school, we are igniting a movement to transform the early year education in India and making it more enriching for everywhere. So welcome to Sanford Global Preschool, where young minds grow, hearts open, and future truly begins. So, on that note, I would like Mahesh to also share his vision, as it's a one-of-a-kind of movement that we're trying to create in India in collaboration. It's a beautiful collaboration that Sanford and IB is doing.
Yes, at various forums and venues. And Sneha, more than 2 years now, talking and being patient in this journey. I wish Sanford Global the very best. Our heartiest congratulations. And we look at them as equal partners in this journey and collaboration with the IB and the growth of IB in the early years segment. She made a very important point about inclusion and future ready that resonates very well with the IB's mission of making the world a better place through education. We believe that children need to be ready for future. They have to be happy coming to school and happy in their learning. The joy of learning as well as the joy of coming to school. I think the school place and in the many more schools which Sanford would open would lead to a happy student community, a happy parent community, and the owners and founders of
And first I would like to congratulate Sneha, young shoulders, added responsibility. Great, but these shoulders are not weak, they are very strong shoulders. And why I am saying they are strong shoulders? Because she is fully qualified to do the job which she has taken for, which you will not find many in this part of the world. Congratulations to Dr. Rathore also, Mrs. Rathore, the one who has done the foundation of Sanford School, and Sneha has brought it as a global school. So that's a very beautiful journey, starting from mother to daughter. I asked one question to myself. When Sneha asked me, would you like to become advisor for the IB school? So I asked, why IB school in India? That was the question.
Kumar Virendra for being the member of advisory board, he is just like my elder brother. And Rita ma'am is having Kumar Sekhar Saab is co-founder of Soviet University, and Rita ma'am is having I think more than 40-50 years of experience in early years and in human development basically. So the values these people will add in the curriculum and advising us will advise us for the development of the children and how to take this initiative forward is going to be very, very important. So when 24 years back we started our first preschool, we have never thought of any curriculum which can be future proof. So when I heard the terminology future proof curriculum, it excited me. When I met first time Mahesh 6 years back in some conference, and he discussed me, though they don't have any early year program at that point of time. Their program was started from primary years, PYP, primary year program. So then he asked me, why don't you join hand with us so that we can bring the global education to the country, because it is required. Lots of innovations and research are happening in early education, but unfortunately our country lately accepted it, and lately in 2020 only in the national education policy, early education is included as a part of school education system. So when it comes as a system, then I started asking Sneha, let's start discussion with Mahesh again so that we can bring the education of the global standard to our children. So that today everybody is talking about the IB board or Cambridge board or any international board, because many of the children wanted to send their children for higher education to the European countries, US or UK or other countries, developed
Of schools, and I'm so elated to announce that we have launched Sanford Global Preschool, India's first IB preschool chain, and we're looking forward to opening some 80 plus centers in coming 5 years. This is a very unique partnership that IB and Sanford has done, and it is a landmark day for early years in India.
Madam, what inspired you to launch this Sanford Global ID?
See, the biggest gap that we saw, जो सबसे बड़ा gap हमें दिखता था education में, that is early years में quality education was the biggest gap, and also framework for early years which was missing. So that's when framework of IB and quality education of Sanford has come together to create Sanford Global, which gives quality and framework to early years in India.
What kind of facilities are provided?
So when we talk about facilities, the infrastructure itself, I'm not talking about infrastructure का मतलब in the school culture that we are trying to download to the learners in the country to come out of it very successfully, right? And hence with the given situation right now, I feel we will be very strongly able to handle in whatever way possible, because हर एक नई सिचुएशन में एक हर एक नया तरीका हम ढूंढते हैं उसको डील करने का. जैसे कि कोविड में हम में से किसी को नहीं पता था that 3 साल का बच्चा एक लैपटॉप के थ्रू भी सीख सकता है. So with the given situation, we don't know what future holds for us, but I know India is very strong with its will and we can get through anything that comes our way.
मैम, चैनल के माध्यम से आप व्यूअर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि काहे किस वजह से वो अपने बच्चे को सनफोर्ड में डालें, एडमिशन दिलाएं, और किस एज ग्रुप का बच्चा वो यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं, और क्या उसका जरूरत है?
देखिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सैनफोर्ड में मैं किसी को ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप आके एडमिशन कराइए. मैं ये बोलूँगी आप आइए, स्कूल का एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए, समझिए कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एंड इफ इट अलाइंस विद द पेरेंट्स चॉइस दैट दे शुड डेफिनेटली चूज सैनफोर्ड ग्लोबल. बट मैं आपके माध्यम से ये मैसेज ज़रूर देना चाहूँगी जो हमने अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी डिस्कस किया, दैट पेरेंट्स नीड टू रियलाइज कि अर्ली ईयर्स कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, और वॉट एवर फीस दैट दे आर पेइंग इज एक्चुअली द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन देयर चाइल्ड, देयर फ्यूचर स्पेशली. जो इन्वेस्टमेंट हम सोचते हैं कि नीट, IIT, JEE क्रैक कराने के लिए बच्चों को होनी चाहिए, उसके बारे में आप अर्ली ईयर्स में सोचो ना, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट योर चाइल्ड विल बिकम इन फ्यूचर. सो अर्ली ईयर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो पेरेंट्स उसमें प्लीज़ ध्यान दीजिए, चूज द बेस्ट प्री स्कूल फॉर योर चाइल्ड. द चाइल्ड विल टर्न ब्यूटिफुली इन द फ्यूचर.
मैम, एजुकेशन की बात हो गई, बट बच्चे की सेफ्टी और हाइजीन को कैसे मेजर करेंगे आप?
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो आपने पूछी, सेफ्टी और हाइजीन. जैसा कि आपने खुद भी देखा होगा व्हेन यू आर एंटरिंग द स्कूल, सो एवरीथिंग वी हैव यूज, सो टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ हमने सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा किया है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू कम एट द मेन गेट, यू हैव टू स्कैन एंड यू हैव टू फिल ऑल योर details. You would also have to put it, there's a OTP that's going to go on the parent's phone or visitor's phone, and they would have to put that. So no person who's not allowed to be in the premises cannot enter, and everything is controlled by RFID cards and face recognitions. Also, hygiene is very, very important. Every day we have checklists that the system has to go through to maintain proper hygiene for the children as well, because that's very important for their health.